Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Getthisglowing. And if you have never been here before, then welcome. I am so glad that you found us. And if you have been here before, then thank you for coming back by. And in today's video, I am really excited to do this video for you today. We are going to be having a look at my skincare empties. We are going to be looking at why I've used these products, why I've chose these products, why I picked them up, and if I'm going to be replacing them and what I'm going to be replacing them with. Will I be using the same thing? Will I be picking up something new? Have I picked up something new? And why are they important in my skincare regimen? Why do I choose to use these? And are these the products that are still making a difference in my skincare? So if you'd like to see my thoughts about these particular products, what I've used up and what I'm still liking, what I might be changing, then just keep watching. We're going to get into it right now. Okay, so the very first thing that I have used up is the TATCHA Essence. And guys, this is a very, very good essence, and you use this right after you get done cleansing your face and applying a toner if you're using a toner. The essence, this particular one, is a very, very good one. I love this essence. I do have another one on hand. However, you know, I do kind of like to trade off products. I just kind of like to trick the skin and not let it kind of build up an immunity or a tolerance to what I've been using. So I usually like to have a couple products that I love, and I kind of swap back and forth between the two. So I do have another one of these on hand that I have repurchased so that whenever I get done with what I'm using, because I finished this one up about a week or so ago, and so I have placed an order and gotten this one in, so it's ready to go. But what I am currently using right now is the Amore Pacific Essence, and that one is a little bit more than the TATCHA Essence. But the purpose of an essence is so that your skin has some good benefits on it right after washing your face, and your skin is moist and ready to accept your skincare ingredients when you apply them. You don't want your skin to be dry because when your skin is wet and damp, it's going to receive your skincare serums more readily. So that's really what the essence is for, and they usually are chock full of good ingredients. And the Amore Pacific Essence is based on a green tea type of main ingredient, and it's full of antioxidants, and it is a beautiful, beautiful essence. It's a pretty high price point, but that's the one that I'm on right now, and whenever I get done with it, I'll go back to TATCHA's Essence and vice versa. So I alternate between those two essences. And so this was the one that I finished up. But this is a very good product if you're interested in trying it. You won't go wrong with TATCHA's Essence. You won't go wrong with Amore Pacific's either, but you know, I just shop between the two of those and alternate between the two of those. And the other one that I'm actually interested in trying is the Kombucha Essence by Fresh. I love fresh fresh products as well, and the ingredients in the Kombucha Essence from Fresh is very appealing to me as well. So I may end up giving that one a try after I finish up the Amore Pacific and my next TATCHA Essence. I may swap off with Fresh's Essence. Another product that I have finished is Fresh Sea Berry Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil. This is with sea buckthorn oil, and I love this product. I go between this one and the Bobbi Brown Cleansing Oil. And so I finished this one up, and it's a great cleanser. This is one of my double cleansing steps, and it is absolutely a beautiful oil. I cannot recommend it enough. I love this from this product line. I love the soy cleanser from Fresh. Fresh is a great product line, so I will be purchasing another one of these, but I'm back on the Bobbi Brown at the moment. So whenever I finish up the Bobbi Brown, and it takes me a while to go through a cleansing oil, so I'll wait to repurchase this for a while, but it will be Fresh that I will rotate to next. So I'm on the Bobbi Brown, and then I'll rotate back to Fresh. But this is a staple in my skincare regimen. The Maylove, the Glow Maker Antioxidant Serum, and this is a vitamin C serum. And this is a very good vitamin C serum. This one, along with the vitamin C serum from Timeless that is a L-ascorbic acid plus C plus ferulic acid, I swap usually back and forth between the two of those. I'll do a Maylove vitamin C, and then I'll do a Timeless vitamin C back and forth. I've never had any issues with Maylove. My shipment before this was a little yellow. I called them and they instantly shipped me out another one that was not yellow, and they assured me there was nothing wrong with the product and that it just happened to be a little bit more yellow in this production run than it normally was, but they shipped me out another one. So Maylove is a great product line. And actually I am, this past time I went ahead and reordered from Maylove, so I am on my Maylove still, and I didn't reorder from Timeless. I went ahead and reordered from Maylove again, and the reason was I was placing an order with Maylove for another product, and so I just went ahead and ordered vitamin C with Maylove. So this time I didn't alternate Maylove and Timeless, but usually I do because I love both of those companies' vitamin C product, but this one I did finish up. And vitamin C goes on right after my Essence. It is the next product in line that I put on my face, is my vitamin C. And I finished up my niacinamide serum from the Good Molecules, and there's a lot of products that I really don't necessarily like from the Good Molecules, or I should say I think that The Ordinary still does a better job than Good Molecules. However, this niacinamide serum I think is a fantastic product from the Good Molecules, and I finished this one up. And what have I replaced it with? I've replaced this with, I'm trying out the niacinamide serum, the new niacinamide serum from Maylove. And that's why I just went ahead with my vitamin C serum from Maylove this time. I probably, just so you know, I probably won't replace my niacinamide with the Maylove product. I'm using this up. I'm about halfway done with that bottle of niacinamide from Maylove, and I really, honestly, I don't think it's worth the price point. It's around the $28 price point, which is about what all Maylove products run. And you can get this from the Good Molecules off of Beautylish for $6. You can also get niacinamide from Sephora from The Ordinary for the same price. So I just don't, I won't repurchase from Maylove their niacinamide, even though it does have some other ingredients in it. I just won't do it. So I will replace, when I'm done with Maylove, I'm going to go back to, depending upon who I'm ordering from at the time, I will either pick up the Good Molecules again, or I will pick up from Sephora or Ulta I'll probably get the Ordinary from Ulta, to be honest. So that's where my niacinamide will come in. And why do I use niacinamide? Niacinamide is very important. It goes on next, and it goes on every time that I do my skincare regimen, because niacinamide can be mixed with any other molecule out there. It cleans out your pores, it shrinks your pores, and just overall good skin health, and also lightening your skin. And this is the Buffet from The Ordinary. This is a multi-peptide serum. It is a very good, just all around multi-peptide. So this is going to help to rebuild just in the deeper layers, the matrix of the skin, help build your collagen, that type of thing. So more on a structural level of what's going on in the deeper layers. So that will help to give a firmer, plumper appearance to your skin if it's working. And so this is a very good product. I like this product very much. It has a nice slip to it. And so this is going to go on probably around the point that the niacinamide goes on, because it has that same slip and same clear feeling of it. So this is a great product from The Ordinary, and I keep it in my skincare regimen. But I did finish this one up and need to reorder that, and it will be reordered with that exact product, the Buffet from The Ordinary. I finished up the B5 Hydration Serum from Timeless, and I like their B5 Hydration Serum, and I will continue to use the B5 Hydration Serum from Timeless, because I have this in a refill jar full. So I will just refill this bottle with what's underneath my cabinet. So I finished up my regular size of that. The number 7 Laboratories, this is their Corrector Booster Serum, and it's a 7x concentration of your matrixyl 3000. I really believe in this product. I feel like that I have seen results in my skin in the under eye area darkness of my skin. I really feel like I've seen just a huge difference in my skin since I've been using this. This is always in my skincare regimen, and usually there's 2 or 3 of these, but I've already thrown away because I knew that I would have at least one of these in here whenever I did this video, so I've already thrown away 3 of these. So anyway, I really love this product from number 7, and so this is a real good one. I finished up a bottle of my beloved Luna Night Sleeping Oil. This is my retinol product of choice, and I use this at night. Sometimes I use it during the day. It just depends, but I always use it with my SPF 50 sunscreen if I use it in the day. And so this is just a beautiful, beautiful retinol product. It's an oil, but it doesn't make your skin feel oily, and it has glutathione in it, so it calms any irritation. I've never got peeling, flaking, redness, or anything from using this product, and I adore this product, and I've already replaced it. So, love that product. I finished up as well a Roche Posay Tailoring Ultra Eyes Eye Cream, and I've already replaced this with another one of the same. This product is so good for the under eyes. It just really hydrates your under eyes so well. So I use this before I put on any other moisturizing cream. I put this on under my eyes, and then I may choose to use a squalane oil, and then I may choose to use another more occlusive moisturizer over the top of that, like maybe the Lala Retro Whipped cream from Drunk Elephant. I may choose to use the TATCHA Luminous Dewy Cream, or Cetaphil, or some regular moisturizer, but I always put this on first. And then whenever I get up here, then I may choose to use another eye cream, like my First Aid Beauty eye cream, before I start putting on my makeup. So I may choose to do that. Then I finished up a Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And I do have another one of these already. And then I also used up a thing of MAC makeup wipes. I love the MAC makeup wipes. I don't always use them, but sometimes if I'm at the MAC store, I'm at the MAC counter, I will pick them up. It's rare that I buy them, but they are very good. Those are the skincare empties that I went through and why I use what I use in my skincare regimen. Other than a few maybe skin lightening products, like I do use an azelaic acid product. I'm going to start using the 2% hydroquinone cream that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag from Murad. But outside of that, this was all of my skincare products sort of depleted themselves at the same time. So I thought that this would be a nice video going through the empties to show you what it is that I'm using on my skin outside of moisturizers, which you know I love the Dewy Skin Cream from TATCHA for a moisturizer. So that's one of my favorites. So what things have you used up lately? What things are you loving and that you're repurchasing out of those empties? Is there anything that you've used up that was a struggle to use up? I've been there and sometimes I just chuck it. I'm just like, not doing it. Let me know those in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you here as a part of the Gen X Beautiful team. And I hope that today is treating you well. I hope your week's going great. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye for now, guys.